In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money using the Groww app. First, a quick reality check. Groww is a digital platform that helps you invest. It doesn't guarantee income by itself. Your results depend on what you invest in, how long you stay invested, and how you manage risk. Think of it as your toolkit for building wealth over time. On Groww, one straightforward path is investing in stocks listed on the NSE and BSE. A long-term buy and hold approach aims to benefit from potential price appreciation and any dividends the company may pay. A useful note here: equity delivery trades on Groww have zero brokerage fees, which helps keep your costs down when you're not doing intraday trading. Mutual funds are another core option. Groww offers direct mutual funds with zero commission. That means more of your money stays invested, potentially improving long-term outcomes compared to regular plans. You can invest a lump sum or set up a systematic investment plan, or SIP, to invest smaller amounts on a schedule. If you want broader exposure in a single trade, consider exchange-traded funds. ETFs track baskets of assets such as gold, silver, or market indices, which can help diversify risk without picking individual stocks. You can also apply for IPOs directly in the app using UPI. Getting in at the offer stage can be appealing, but remember, listing outcomes can vary. Beyond that, Groww offers access to sovereign gold bonds for gold exposure with interest benefits, and even U.S. equities if you want international diversification. For experienced traders, futures and options are available, but they involve higher risk and leverage. On Groww, F&O and intraday trades carry a flat brokerage fee of 20 rupees per executed order or 0.05%, whichever is lower. Use these products only if you fully understand how they work and have a clear risk plan. To improve your odds of success, focus on fundamentals. Educate yourself using resources like Groww's blogs, articles, and the Groww Academy channel. Diversify across sectors and asset classes to reduce the impact of any single position. Take a long-term view rather than trying to time the market. And practice risk management. Features like stop-loss orders can help limit losses when markets move against you. For transparency, Groww makes money from brokerage on certain trades, interest on idle funds, and other services. Your earnings depend on your choices and market performance. If you'd like, I can show you the recent performance of some popular large-cap stocks available on the Groww app, like Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank, and Infosys, over the last year. Would you like to see that comparison? If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more gaming and tech updates, and comment below if you want updates the moment YouTube officially launches on the Switch too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.